Wait a minute. Where's my pink backpack? Oh no. I left my backpack on the living room sofa at home.
Hey, Nia. What is wrong? You look really worried right now.
Do not worry, Nia. We can fix this together before class starts.
Let us head into the classroom first so we are not late for teacher. I am so nervous because today we have our big writing lesson.
Do not panic, Nia. Asking for help is always a smart choice.
Welcome to class, everyone. Please take your seats and open your notebooks.
I cannot join the lesson without a pencil and a fresh sheet of paper. Look inside my bag. I always carry extra supplies for emergency moments. Here is a sharp yellow pencil you can borrow for the whole day. Thank you so much, Finn. You are a truly kind friend.
Now let us find some paper so you can write down the lesson notes.
I have a spare notebook with plenty of clean white pages inside.
You can use this notebook for all your subjects today, Nia. Wow, Finn. You are so well prepared for everything today. Please write down these main points in your notebooks right now, students.
Look, I can write everything down just like everyone else.
See? Working together makes every big problem feel much smaller.
Hey, Nia, do you need anything else for our art class later?
I noticed you do not have your colorful pencil case with you today.
Yes, I accidentally left my entire backpack at home this morning. Do not worry at all. You can share my colored markers and crayons. Here are 10 bright colors you can use for the drawing exercise. Thank you so much! Everyone in this class is so generous and helpful.
Hi, Chanyu.
We are all happy to help you whenever you need something, Nia.
Here is a brand new eraser, just in case you make a mistake. You guys are amazing. I felt so scared just a few minutes ago.
Is everything all right over here, kids? You are sharing so nicely.
Nia forgot her backpack, but we are all sharing our supplies with her.
That is wonderful teamwork, class. Helping each other is what good friends do. Now let us continue working on our team project together.
These markers work so well, and my notes look super organized. Look at this funny little cat I drew next to my science answer. Finn, you always know how to make me laugh when I am stressed.
Hello, sir. Are you here to drop off something for your daughter? No.
Yes. Nia left her pink backpack on the sofa before leaving for school.
I drove here as fast as I could so she has her books.
Thank you, sir. I will bring this backpack to her classroom right away.
Nia is going to be so surprised and happy to see this.
Excuse me, class. I have a special delivery for someone here.
Oh. Is that my pink backpack that the principal is carrying? Look, Nia. Your dad brought your bag all the way to school.
Here is your backpack, Nia. Your dad brought it to the office.
Oh, thank goodness. My dad is the absolute best for doing that.
Remember to thank your father when you go home today, Nia.
Now I have my textbooks, my homework, and my favorite lunchbox.
We are all so glad your dad came to save the day, Nia.
Hooray! Your backpack is back, but sharing was still super fun. Here is your yellow pencil back, Finn. Thank you for saving my morning. You are very welcome, Nia. Friends always look out for each other. And here are your colorful markers and pink eraser. Thank you, everyone. You are welcome, Nia. We are always ready to share our things. Now I can follow along with my own textbook for the rest of class.
Let us open our history textbooks to page 24, everyone.
Everyone is ready to learn now that all supplies are on desks. Today turned out to be an amazing day after all, didn't it?
Yes. At first, I was so afraid to tell anyone about my mistake.
Keeping secrets when you need help only makes problems feel much bigger. I learned that asking for help is so much better than pretending everything is fine. Yay! Lunchtime is finally here, and I am super hungry today. Look! My dad even packed my favorite strawberry yogurt inside my bag. Nice! I have delicious peanut butter sandwiches to share with you.
Everyone is enjoying their lunch together in the bright cafeteria room.
I am so lucky to have such wonderful classmates in my school.
We are lucky to have you as our friend too, Nia.
High five for turning a scary morning into a great victory.
High five, Finn. You are the best friend anyone could ask for. Look how high we can swing today into the bright blue sky. I feel so happy and relieved that I shared my problem today.
Remember, whenever you are in trouble, just ask for a helping hand.
So never be afraid to ask for help when you forget something.
Asking for help is always better than pretending everything is okay. Bye!